Hey guys, it's Marco here at FLC, and that is.
Hi guys, I'm Pov. How are you doing?
And we're going to start off a new series, and this chassis here is off a.
It's off a beetle chassis. I believe what I've been told is 1972, but we think it's an earlier one.
I think it's an earlier one because the front suspension beam is, it has, the later ones have got the shock absorbers on it, and this has got the torsion bar set up on it. So we need to look into that. And behind you is the body. It's a 356 replica. And we got this car from another garage, and it's the way we got it. It was on the back of a trailer with all the parts just basically thrown into it. So it's a bit of a mess, and Povilas is going to have a hell of a job here putting it all back together. So what he's going to do is set up the chassis for it first, I think. Yeah, he's already done the rear beam. That's 90% there, would you say?
Yeah, it's about 90-95% done. Basically what I'm going to try to do is get the chassis rolling, try to start the car, try to get it running a little bit, and then we'll start moving on to putting the body on, getting it looking like a normal car.
So I think what you're doing now is the brake, right? You're having some problems with the brakes?
At the moment I'm trying to fix the front brakes, mount the front calipers properly. I'm having some problems with some clearances, and I'm getting all that sorted. After that I'm going to slowly move front to back. I'm going to get the pedal boxes finished, I'm going to get the gear shift in, I'm going to get the handbrakes in, I'm going to get all the cables in for the throttle, clutch and handbrakes, and just slowly get everything ready to get this car started and rolling around.
So we're going to be driving it like this, right? Just put a seat in it?
Yeah. We'll try to get around the block like this.
So that'd be fun to watch. Yeah, so stay tuned for that.
Today I'm going to be working on the drum brakes at the back, see what I need for parts to order. Yesterday all the lines were finished by Marco and Jamie, and today I'm going to, after the drum brakes, I'm going to move on to the middle of the car. I'm going to run all the air lines for the air suspension. I'm going to run them both sides into that side, and it's going to go up into the tank and all the controls. After that, we're going to have the body on top of the car, we're going to put the alloys back on, and we're going to put on the floor and slam it all the way down to see if there's any leaks or what clearances we need to make. Stay tuned. So guys, welcome back to the project. As you can see, we put it on the floor. We've got it all aired up. Next, we're gonna find all the leaks that there is on the suspension, all the airlines, everything. We'll replace anything that's leaking. And after that, we're gonna go through the list, order everything that we need to finish this or to get this car rolling. We'll get it started, we'll take it around the block, and then after that, everything is going to start on the bodywork. And if you want to see how the car moves up and down, there you go, that's just on the floor. So guys, welcome back to the video. To summarize what I've done so far on the car is we've run all the brake lines, we've run all the air lines inside the car, we got on all 4 wheels, and I also had to redo the back of the controller where all the air lines go in because we had some leaks there, and just to make it more simple I reduced the amount of joints and just made it look a little bit nicer than what it is. The car is nice and rolling right now, but this is going to be it for the video because we're going to have to wait for some parts, a really long list of parts, and when it's all done we'll go back to it and we'll start doing all the transmission parts. We'll have to take the engine out to do the clutch on it because the previous people, they didn't really do a great job of joining the engine with the gearbox. And yeah, for now we're going to leave it on air to see if there's any leaks or any slow leaks, and we'll get back to you. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned.